Good morning, everyone. I guess y'all say I come up here and say the same thing. Good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing this morning? How's the AAG team doing on a Monday morning? I hope it's all is well. I hope you don't have any hangovers or anything like that. I hope you're up and raring to go to work, that is. I remember my days when I used to have to go to work. Oh boy, Monday mornings were rough, I tell you. But this morning is rough for me because I got some work to do in my kitchen. I hope you could see. This is why I don't like this phone, because this phone doesn't, it doesn't look clear. I think it's because I got one of those plastic screens on top of it. Protective, I guess it's a sort of like a protective screen. But it's gonna have to do for right now, y'all, because I got work to do in the kitchen. I've got to put my bowls away. I don't know if you could see me or not. No, you couldn't see me. Sorry. But anyway, I don't know if I even got room in this cabinet for this stuff. I really got to get rid of some stuff. Now, all of this stuff came out of the cabinet, but I wanted to, let's see, rearrange. I don't want to use those bowls anymore because they belong to a set. And I wanted to start using these. So I have 4 of these. And so I put these on top so they'll be readily available to me. Instead of, using the other ones that go to the set. And let's see, I'm trying to adjust this camera. I hope we're recording. Yes, I think we are. And I have to go in the fridge to get stuff out of here. This is my Monday morning, y'all. This is what I gotta do. And I am not happy about it because I've got all this food I gotta get rid of. Including my cornbread. Let's see. Put this over here. And I can take see this cornbread and all this. This was a pack of Jiffy. And that's all I ate of the Jiffy. I don't know if you could see that or not. This part right here is what I ate, and I gotta throw all this away. Which I usually put it in the freezer. But this time, you keep putting things off. You're gonna have it for dinner. You're gonna have, and then just put it right over here in the sink. Let the garbage disposal take care of that. And it seems like it got stuck. It got stuck in the bottom. I don't know why. And rice. Got a lot of rice throw away. And put that right over here in the sink also. Let the garbage disposal take care of this. And the reason I'm doing it early this morning is because I wanted to go to the store. And I figured that, since I was going out to take the garbage out, I could just definitely just keep going. Once I take the garbage out, I could just keep going. You know what I mean? Instead of making 2 trips. And I'm throwing away all this leftover food. Why didn't I freeze it? I don't know, y'all. Stuffing. That stuffing was good, too. But it's gotta go. It's gotta go. Ooh. I don't know how that's gonna work. So how was your weekend? Hey, geez. Sing. Hey. I hope you had a great weekend. Mine was as well as to be expected. I didn't do anything special. Excuse the noise, y'all. That's the garbage disposal. Ah, so much food. I don't know why I let it pile up. That's not even half of it, y'all. I'm telling you, there's more. This is a pot of a pot of beans. Oh, brother, I can't put that down there. I can't put that down the garbage disposal because it's got bone in it. Let's see if I can find. Oh, here's a bag. Here is a bag. Now, these are the beans. I love beans. I don't know why I gotta throw away beans. I never usually have any of this stuff to throw away. But I was cooking a lot. That's what happens when you cook, you know, too much. See all that food? That's food. All that. Smoked neck bones and lima beans. Even though them lima beans, the smoked neck bones, you know, they had a funny taste to them to me. But the beans were delicious. Matter of fact, if I go to the store and get me some more today, put them in the freezer just to have it, you know, because sometimes when you cook a little meal like that, you know, something frozen, it is so easy. And these are frozen limas. And you could even cook them with, you know, bacon, leftover bacon fat or something like that, bacon grease. Just put them in the pot and let them rip, y'all. That's all you gotta do. Especially when you get a little lazy. See, I gotta take my trash out. And I'm not even going to do this. I haven't done this yet. I don't know if you can see me or not. But, let's see, maybe I can do this one. See, I got all this dressing and stuff that I'm supposed to have been throwing out. And half the stuff, I don't know if it's good or if it's bad or is it ugly. And I got a whole, hold on, y'all. I'm coming. Gotta rinse my hands off a minute. And I got those same turkey wings that I was telling you about before that taste like fish. They're still in the fridge. And I got another one in the freezer. But I gotta make room for the in the fridge. I definitely have to make room. See, that's turkey and gravy. That still smells good. I don't know if you can see it or not, that turkey. That was just one big turkey wing. And I think I told you about it. Let's see, I gotta have something to put. I don't think that's gonna work. It's got a hole in it already. Hold on, y'all. I gotta find somewhere something to put the. Oh. And it's getting hot in here. I don't have any more bags down here. Oh, these are my plastic, rubber gloves. Oh, darn it. I don't even know what I do with the plastic bags. I know I got some. But where are they? I do not know, y'all. Let's go in the boudoir. Don't look. Close your eyes. G. I'm trying to. Oh, here we go. I knew I had some. And that's my next stop is the bedroom to hang everything up. Oh, I'm gonna sit down for a minute and I'll turn this heat off because I got my heater. I had both of the heaters on, and I'm gonna turn those off because it's not that cold this morning. It's only about I think it was 41. That's why I wanted to go out, but it's still cloudy. I don't know. I think that war over there really got something to do with this weather. I'm going to be honest. Because, I mean, it's just too cloudy and too gloomy. And it's cloudy, but it's not expected to rain today. Which is a good thing, because I got to go out to that. Definitely go to the grocery store and pick up a couple of things. Mainly milk. You know, I'm always needing milk. I eat milk. I eat cereal almost every morning, unless I'm frying potatoes. And I didn't feel like frying potatoes this morning, but I did have enough milk for my cereal. And I'm the type of person, I don't like to run out of stuff. I like to nip it in the bud. As a matter of fact, I got a list over here that I probably will forget before when I go to the store and realize, I don't have a list. But anyway, where's my bag? Okay. Here we are. I'm almost done, y'all, getting the stuff out. And then I got to wash the dishes. But I'm going to go to that store. I'm going to take this trash out because I don't want anything leaking all over the place. Whoa. Have mercy. Main thing is to get these turkey. Now, you know, this is a lot of food that's going out. A lot of food. But it don't smell like fish. It does not. This can go down the garbage. This ain't nothing but gravy. Go down the garbage. Disposal. Make sure there's no bones. I don't know what that is. That's skin, I think. Put that down the garbage. Let's see what else is in here, y'all. While I'm going, I'm going to check to see if I left anything in the freezer. You know, sometimes when I cook chicken wings and stuff, you know, I sort of like these dishcloths, which I had them before. I don't know if you ever had it's like a netting on the top. It's a scrub. But I love them. And I had them before from the dollar store. And as a matter of fact, I'm using the old one for cleaning. But those I got from, I think, Aldi's or somewhere. I don't know. Let's see what else is up here. And I got an appointment. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's about it, yeah. I believe it's about it. All right. Y'all still with me? And you know, I was debating whether or not I should roll that other turkey wing out of here, or should I try and cook it to see if it still tastes like the old one. I think I'm gonna just leave it up there and I got a lot of bread up there that's gotta go. Now I got all these dishes. Remember, I used to always say I don't have any dishes. Well, I got some today. But it won't take me long once I get started. Go ahead and do it, because I'm not going to cook today at all. I'm going to hopefully get me a rotisserie chicken. But sometimes I don't know. I don't know if they have them overnight. You know how they have a leftover food when they got prepared food and the food is left over, and so when you come in there Monday morning or whatever, you getting that old stuff. Just like sometimes you go to KFC, which is supposed to be against the law to sell old chicken. From KFC, like they heat it over because they don't want to throw it away. So they want to, sell it to you if you go the wrong time. But I'm not going to worry about that now. I know that I'm not going to cook. But I am going to go to the store. Let me double check, see what where's my... Who talking about me, y'all? Is it the AAG team? November the 6th. Now, November came in here and it's almost... A whole week is almost gone already. I want to go check my P.O. box. But I'm not going to do all that because I don't trust my scooter like that. I ain't going far from home. See? Yeah. 44 degrees, y'all. And I got to change clothes. Y'all know what? I'm going to get ready to hang up the video because I got work to do. I got to change my clothes, take out that garbage because I know it's going to smell if I don't take it out. And then while I'm out taking the garbage, I'll just go right on over there to the store and get me some milk and rotisserie chicken. That's what I was supposed to be going out to get yesterday, but I never did go out to get it. I didn't feel like going to the store. I think the reason when I go to the store is because I'm out of milk or I'm out of water because, there's food already in there. And food that's not in there is in the boudoir. I got my stash in my bedroom, the canned goods and stuff. So, hey, I ain't worried about that. But when I'm out of milk and potatoes is, something that I try not to run out of either because I like to cook them for breakfast sometimes. Especially put an egg, make some fried potatoes and, hash brown. Some people call them hash brown. But the way I slice mine, I call them just fried potatoes. Fried potatoes and onions and have your egg. And you know what? I saw on YouTube no longer than last night. I forgot the lady's name. She was making some apple fritters. They were like apple type pancakes, I guess. I said, I got to try some of these recipes. And so I might get, and that's another way I like to use up my old bread in the refrigerator. I cook like a bread pudding. I already had breakfast this morning, y'all, so might be a little gas coming up. I did have enough milk to make my cereal, and I'm happy that I bought that. So I really don't have to rush, but I'm the type of person, if I got something to do, I like to do it in the morning. Go ahead and get it. And that way I got the rest of my day, do whatever I want to do, whether it's cook or sleep or play Scrabble, Zumba, word search, whatever it is I want to do. That's what I do for the rest of the day. Or sometimes I spend it on the telephone, if I'm talking to somebody, mainly my sister and my daughter. And matter of fact, speaking of daughter, I wondered if she get moved. She was supposed to move by the 31st. I haven't seen her since she was over here last week. Wait a minute, today is the 6th. Yeah, she was over here last week because we went to Popeyes and had chicken. And so I guess she got moved because she said she had to get moved by the 31st. And I want to know if she wants this chair over here, because this chair has got to go. And I was looking at a little chair on the, I think it was at Ross, some Pretty Floyd. I don't know if it's Pretty Floyd that went to Ross. Somebody went to Ross that was on YouTube. And I sort of like that, but white is something I don't need. I need another color. Forget white. White is definitely out. Or gold. I wouldn't mind having gold, but I might change these curtains back to the red, the other color I had before. I haven't decided yet. I might do it, before Christmas, just to get something different in here. I like to switch it up. But I saw this chair. It didn't have any arms on it. It was small, way smaller than this. It was just a little uh, chair, like a that you would decorate. You really don't want kids all over it, especially if it's white. And but I think there was another color they had. I'm not sure. Seemed like I saw a blue one. It didn't have any arms, and it was a fuzzy chair. And I kind of like that chair. Yeah, I think it was only like $200 or $300, something like that. But if I get this chair right here out of here, I don't think I'm gonna put another chair right there anytime soon. But I'm gonna miss that chair because that's where I always charge my phone up to. And let me see how long I've been up here yakking, y'all. What? You kidding me? Hello? Did you say I've been up here 20 minutes? What? Why didn't you stop me? Somebody stop me. You gotta stop me when I get to carrying on like this. But I was in the kitchen, so I wasn't paying too much attention. Emptying all that garbage out of the kitchen. As a matter of fact, I got a garbage can in my. Maybe I will just take the trash out and come back in and then put me some clothes on. You know what I mean? Just get that garbage out of here. Yuck. And I got a little small trash can over here. And then I got a small one in my bedroom, a small one in the bathroom to empty. But I can put them all in, compact it all into that one big, garbage bag that I got there in the kitchen. And just, tie them up and put them all in there and just go over to the dumpster, come back home and put on me some clothes and go to the store. That's all I gotta do. Like they say, stop talking about it and get to it. And on that note, I'll see y'all in a little while.